is Marzano's taxonomical new taxonomy, which obviously if you have in your mind is really, really helpful. So you can see the execute, which is really what you're doing when a kid can regurgitate that math problem you did on the board, is really executing, is at the retrieval level, and then you can see that going down to all the way down. And I would emphasize, as you try and level, take kids to a higher level of reasoning, not necessarily the higher level of mathematics. Okay, I know I went through that fast. Let me see what else I put in the...
Oscar.
Yeah.
I would suggest, if you haven't gotten familiar with Marzano's strategies and Marzano's work, I would suggest taking a look at it, because it does align a little easier in terms of moving to those higher levels of reasoning and expectation.
Okay. So maybe some examples will help you clarify. I'll tell you the reason this is in green, is this is major content. This is Algebra 1. This is an example of where we level. So this is from West Chicago. You can see the objective at the top. You can see that at the level 3 is just a basic, here is the mathematical question I want you to solve. Right, here it is. At the level 4 is now that embedded in a real world problem. We believe, and this is our belief, that that is at standard for par. That is our belief, our understanding, the best guess we have right now. Level 5 would be above standard. And you can see the student objective along with the actual assessment question that would be asked. I will tell you the level 5 is the hardest piece to this.
Would it be giving too much information? Just suppose both of those were correct. I haven't thought about it enough to know, but
Right.
if you said both these equations aren't correct, critique and explain why.
No, I mean that would be fine.
Okay.
You're asking a kid to evaluate and explain why those are, and think about the mathematical thinking that's required of that. Yeah.
Okay.
And I mean, I think, to me, that's pretty high level reasoning. Here is another example. Again, at level 4 would be the on target. If you haven't seen illustrative mathematics, I highly recommend going to it. It's a really nice website. It basically has for every standard a problem that is supposedly at standard for that problem. So it's a really nice resource to go to. And as you can see, we use them a lot when we